Let me tell you, for the longest I have been using metallic gold or silver spray paint for my wall arts, and today I decided to try using gold leaf instead. I found a kit online that I wanted to share with you, and it has pretty much everything that you need. There's one additional item that you will need also for this particular project, and I'll tell you that in a minute. This kit has 100 sheets of gold leaf. It has sizing. If you're not familiar with what sizing is, it is an adhesive. This is what will help the foil stick to whatever surface that you're putting it on. It also has varnish to protect and seal the gold foil, and it has 2 brushes. I'm currently in the process of making this textured wall art piece, and I'm going to use it to enhance a particular area on the canvas. If you want to see how I make this piece from end to end, be sure to click the link to join my membership, where I will be sharing end to end how to make it. Before you get started, you want to make sure that the surface is clean. Then you want to apply a thin layer of sizing to the surface. Remember, you can apply this gold foil to art, to frames, hardware, sculptures, furniture, and so much more. If you would like to receive weekly inspiration, exclusive guides, tips, and information about supplies, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. The link to it is in the description box below. Now we need to let it get tacky, and it takes about 8 to 10 minutes. So what you want to do, once it gets tacky, you place the sheets of gold foil on top. And don't worry, I know that they are small sheets, but just make sure you cover the entire surface where you had applied the sizing. I found it was easier and cleaner to place the sheets down with the white sheet that comes with it, as opposed to applying it with your hands. It is very fragile and it tears easily. Feel free to tear it if you need to place it in a smaller area. Maybe you don't need a big sheet, you just need a little piece of it. You can tear it off and place it wherever you want to apply it. Whatever works best for you. Okay, now it's time to remove the excess pieces of gold foil and smooth the foil down. You want to leave it alone for about 24 hours so the glue can dry completely. You will need a stipple sponge. If you're not familiar with this is what it looks like. This is a game changer. What you want to do is rub it across the foil just like this. When you are working with gold foil, it's going to get everywhere. So I do encourage you to protect the surface that you are working in, a table, whatever you have that you're working or doing your project on. You want to cover it to protect it so that gold leaf does not get directly on it. I recommend saving the excess pieces of gold leaf in a jar so you can use it for another project. And I actually have another project in mind that I'm going to share in a future video. So stay tuned for that and look out for that next video. Now you want to brush on a thin layer of varnish to seal and protect the gold leaf. You let that dry for about 30 minutes and that's that. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter. I tell you, I absolutely love the piece that I made with the gold foil. If this is something that you're interested in, I have a full tutorial on all the steps from beginning to end on how to create the exact same piece. Make sure you look at the link in the description box below or click join because I just started my membership program. I'm super excited and would love to have you a part of my creative community. I am going to shift a little bit of things on my channel, so I'm going to focus in on the people who are in this membership. You don't want to miss out. The link will be in the description box below. I have so much to share with you, so I look forward to talking to you in the next one.